Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, 2 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, a cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 cups of softened butter, a tablespoon of molasses, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll start by mashing our sugar into our softened butter with the tines of a fork, and mixing it with a spatula until it's creamed. If you'd prefer, you can use a stand or hand mixer to cream your butter and sugar together over medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, we'll add our egg, tablespoon of molasses, teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt, and mix until well combined. Then we'll slowly mix in our 2 cups of flour, about a half cup at a time, and we'll fold in our chocolate chips. This will make a very thick and shaggy dough. After we've mixed our dough, we'll allow it to chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before baking. While our cookie dough is chilling in the refrigerator, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After the dough is chilled, we'll finish working it with our hands until it fully comes together. Then, we'll take about 1.5 tablespoons of our dough and roll it into a ball and place it onto our pan to bake, about 2 inches apart. This recipe will make approximately 2 dozen cookies. Once we've formed our cookies, we'll place them in our preheated oven and allow them to bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our cookies are done baking, we'll remove them from the oven and allow them to cool to room temperature before serving, about 30 minutes to an hour. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.